morning. Good morning, guys. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and set here. Starting up the live trading on my Discord. Join up. There we go. But yeah, what's going on, guys? Good morning. Happy Friday. We finally made it to Friday, although today's market was pretty bad. Here, let me go ahead and put this Discord out real quick. Let's go ahead and see. Yo, what is going on, guys? Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. What's up, guys? What's going on? Happy Friday. We finally made it to Friday, bro. It's been a long week, let me tell you guys. It's been a really long week, but overall it's been a pretty good week. Although it's been hard. How's the hurricane, bro? It's been sunny since yesterday, like really fucking sunny. It's like nothing happened outside. But yeah, guys, good morning, guys. We finally made it through the week. Although this week has been tough. Here, let me share my screen. Although this week has been a little bit tough on the trades, although we got what, like 1 to 2 trades. I don't even know if you guys want to count the first one because it was a little bit messy, but you know, we got 1 to 2 trades depending on what you guys took, right? Although we got almost nothing, we still made it work. We still made a lot of money this week, so I'm pretty happy with it. But yeah, we're on a Friday. So far nothing too crazy is going on in the market. Nothing that's really catching my eye here. But we do have some ideas on what we want to go ahead and see here in the market, you know, to go ahead and do everything, right? So let me see. When we're down, it seems like so far, I mean, you got to give the market time. We're pretty close to drawing liquidity. We're only like 65 points away, 70 points. So one or two nice selling candles and we'll be there, you know what I mean? But other than that, okay, so here's what I'm currently watching right now. So far we don't have any setup. Obviously, I'm sure you guys can see the market has been kind of decided. Oh wait, hold on. What it wants to do here. Hold on, let me see, cause let me see. Cause I've been trying to email this thing right here and I just got it right now. Okay. But when do you think Apex is gonna drop a discount? I don't know. They usually do it pretty often. So it could be today, it could be maybe Monday, it could be over the weekend. You know what I mean? It'll be up. Just give it some time. You know what I mean? Give it some time so we can stack up on those accounts. But yeah, in the meantime, guys, currently what the game plan is right now, guys, is we're currently looking to either take out upside or take out downside, right? So far the market has no trend. We know, well, it's in a pretty bearish trend overnight. You know, we're talking about with the overnight session, but coming into a New York session, it's not looking like it's doing really anything. Right now what it's doing is probably maybe a lower high and that's about it. But what we would want to do here is either take out 416, which is pretty far, or we take out 301, right? Depending on what we take out, we can get a pretty easy reading off of this because we will know exactly what liquidity we took out and exactly where to expect the market to do some sort of movement, right? So that's pretty much what we're looking for. So far, like I said, we don't really have any setup that it's really like screaming out like, hey, trade me, you know what I mean? But you know, we can wait for it. But yeah, regardless of what happens, honestly, let me ask you guys this, because I've been, you know, I kind of got a little bit relieved with the trade yesterday. Although it was a slow one, it still made us a ton of money, depending on if you guys held it or not. I'm pretty sure you guys held, you know, some of you guys held it. But how are we sitting for the week, guys? Are we happy for this week? I know it's been a messy one, a tough one here and there. But with yesterday, did that get us on a good note, or how are we doing? Because so far I'm pretty green on the week. Like by pretty green I mean really green. Up 1k plus. Okay, we'll take it. Yeah. So someone said, okay. Yeah, I mean, well, to be honest, yeah, one good day is all it takes. Yeah, in the market, you know what I mean? Like I said, this week was, like I said yesterday, didn't meet my goal, but I'm good as long as you're good. You know what I mean? But like I said yesterday, the market, you know, it won't always be good, right? And if you guys recently started trading this month or in the last 3 weeks, guys, trust me, the market is never really this bad, right? I even said it myself. In my 4 years of trading, the market has never been this bad for this long. Me, like, you know, I used to trade. Well, I've been trading every single day for 4 years. I promise you guys, the market have never been this slow. The markets have never been this bad. I don't know what's going on, but so far so good, right? So you know, there will for sure be better days if you guys are new to trading. So give the market some time, let it catch up, and trust me, guys, when the markets are good, we make a lot of money. Let me tell you guys. So yeah, so far what we're doing right here is this open doesn't look so promising. Let me see. Okay, I know it's definitely because of war. I don't know too much about election because it's still a month away, and the markets usually anticipate it like maybe a few days before. But a month, not even a month, a month and a half before election day starts. Come on now. So in my opinion, I think the market could be chopping because of war. Because war does have a really big impact in the market. But I mean, is it to the point where it should be chopping every day? I don't think so. By the way, YouTube, what's going on, guys? I completely forgot about my YouTube. But yeah, hold on, let me go ahead and alert this out here. There you go. Okay, guys, hold on. I'm gonna go get my laptop real quick because I have to respond to the email. Hold on. Okay, I'm back. But yeah, right now we're getting a nice pump up here, which, you know, could signal a really nice movement. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna stay a little bit quiet for a second or two because I need to respond to this because it's extremely important. But so far we're getting a very nice push up here. Okay, wait, hold on. So say providers you need to once you clean this. Okay, perfect. Okay, so I got it working. Okay, let me hold on, guys. Give me, like I said, if I'm quiet for a second, just bear with me for you know, maybe like a minute or two, maybe 3 minutes. But yeah, here, let me go ahead and do this. So far, what I want to do, like I said, guys, is I'm gonna be a lot more active once we see a 416 sweep. And then will go from there. But here, let me go ahead and update this right here because they need me to update it. Man, finally, I've been trying to fix this for a while now. Have you taken it out? Not yet. Okay, perfect. I need the market to wait for me for a second here. You know what I mean? Because I'm trying to respond to this for a second. Let me see. Have we taken it out? Okay, we're really close. Perfect. I'm not really going to trade anything off of this yet. I'm going to wait for a reaction, of course. Once we get some sort of reaction, I'll let you guys know what the game plan is. But so far, we have a... Wait, do we have a nice fair value up here? Yeah, so far, so we need to hold this candle, like, up here, though. I don't want no wicks on this candle. Yeah, so we have a fair value gap here, which is beautiful, right? I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I was not expecting something like this to happen. Okay, I went ahead and sent that email just in case. Okay, let me go and put this back. Okay. Okay, so we took out liquidity, right? We finally just took out the 416 liquidity. So here is the game plan that we're looking for. Are we in a long bias? Let me let you guys know right now, right? So here's what we're looking at, right? So far, obviously we have a fair value gap. On top of that, we went ahead and just took out London highs, the London high and data highs right now. ES is pumping. Yeah, ES. Geesh. Yeah, ES is really pushing this up. I think we're at all-time highs. Oh wow, we are actually at all-time highs. Okay. Well, that's gonna feed us into a pretty bearish bias. Let me tell you guys, because of course with ES breaking all-time highs, yeah, exactly. It's not a good idea to long all-time highs. It's not, the smartest thing ever. So here's what we're currently looking at. Obviously, buyers look extremely in control. They look extremely strong. I mean, look at that. We're pumping up like crazy, right? So here's what we could do. Obviously, right now we just finished taking out London highs. You guys can see right here, London high was this one right here, this level, which we just took out. And we also had data highs with the PPI at 830, which is why this candle pumped up so much. Well, not so much, but it pumped up, right? So we created data highs and we created London highs, right? I'll check it, result. I'll check it after I finish the live trading. I have a few DMs to catch up on. Anyways, so we have London highs and we have data highs right here, right? We took out two highs. On top of that, we created a very, very nice bullish fair value gap, right? So what can we possibly do off this? Well, what we could do is we can go ahead and expect a sweep. I'm saying expect, not like play into a sweep, but we can expect a sweep happening right now, right? Which is what's currently trying to happen, right? So what we're gonna do here, right, is we have drawn liquidity. Right, think of this level of liquidity right here as your London and data high, right? Because these levels, they're practically the same, right? So we're gonna write here is data highs, or actually no, I'm gonna write London / data highs, right? Which, of course, is DOL, right? Equals DOL, right? So with us having this right here, what can we possibly look for? Well, what we're looking for is gonna be a very, very nice sweep, right? We want to look for, I'm gonna put here. Looking for a sweep to happen soon, right? I'm gonna say soon because I'm expecting it to happen soon, right? Sellers are trying to step in right here. Of course, buyers are not gonna let sellers step in out of nowhere because of such a strong buying candle coming in, but we would expect sellers to start stepping in sometime soon, right? Now, what do we want to see with the sweep happening? We want to go ahead and form an MSS going into this fair value gap, right? After the sweep, expect an MSS to form into this fair value gap, right? Once that MSS forms from bullish to bearish, if we get it, right, we want to go ahead and inverse this fair value gap right here, right? Once the MSS, or if the MSS forms here, we want, I'm put here, look for an inverse below this bullish FEG to then target, of course, liquidity down here at 301, which is the liquidity that we ideally want to go ahead and take out, right? So I'm going to put here to target DOL below, just like that, guys, right? So that's the current game plan right now. I'm going to go ahead and write this in the commentary just so you guys can have it as a reference, but it's a pretty simple one, right? So here, let me go ahead and put this out right here. So coming into market open, NQ just finished taking out London / data highs, which we could use to expect a possible reversal. Yeah, possible reversal, right? So what we want to see here is now that NQ took out 20,416.25, we're expecting a DOL sweep to happen soon to see if sellers can form an MSS off this major DOL level. If sellers are able to form the MSS here, it could be either here or at 468. It doesn't really matter. But I'm gonna write this down real quick. Hold on. If sellers are able to form the MSS here, we can use the 5-minute bullish FEG that we have below the DOL to look for a possible inverse for shorts into DOL below. Simple. we need these 3 confirmations, and the trade is ours. Alright, there we go. But yeah, so far guys, I know we're pumping up. Even if we do pump up, it doesn't really matter because we can still take out 468 and get the same reaction. We're just gonna have to find another fair value gap. You know what I mean? But that is the current game plan right now, guys. And like I said, I'm not gonna expect sellers to step in so strong out of literally nowhere after, you know, such a strong push up, which is fine, right? We gotta stay patient. You know, another day and stuff. You don't have to deal well at 433. What do we have at 433? Nah, this is not drawing liquidity. Nah, there's nothing here, bro. Nah, there's nothing here. Yo, is this how a non-trading market moves? No, this, I mean, yeah. I would say this market, so far right now, it looks pretty nice. You know what I mean? Well, the way you said it, a non-trading market looks like we have a trend, we have setups, the market is moving. You know, it's just a good market. You know what I mean? Like, I don't know how to explain it. You just know when a market is good. You know what I mean? But guys, once again, hold on, let me see, bro. I passed 2 top step accounts solely on my own trades. I only trade my Apex PAs and live account, bro. Good shit, bro. Good shit. You're getting better day by day. That's what I like to see. By the way, guys, do I have a water bottle here? I'm gonna go get water real quick. Hopefully this doesn't play out too quick because I'm gonna go fill up a whole water bottle because I am because I'm getting back on creatine. So hold up, give me a second, guys. Okay, I'm back. Sweet. Okay. But yeah, guys. Bro, yes, David's getting water, bro. But yeah, guys. By the way, do you guys understand the bro? bro. Anyways, so do you guys understand the game plan? Is it making sense to you guys? Yo, David, can you check out ES? The volume is looking better. The thing is, okay, Brando, here's the problem with ES. Yes, the volume is looking insane, right? I mean, look at this, right? Here's the one problem though, with ES being at all-time highs, and it being at the highest point it's ever been to. The problem with this is now that if you're looking for longs here, you don't know what to target because we're at the highest point ever. There's no levels above, right? Hold on. Yeah, so there's no levels above. So you really have no choice but to look for shorts here, because if you're looking for a game plan to target stuff in a certain direction, you need levels above or below, right? And when you're at the highest point the market has ever been to, right? You know what I mean? You can keep making, okay, yeah, no, of course. The market can keep going up. The market can do whatever it wants, but be realistic here. If you look for longs, you don't know, let's say the market wants to go ahead and reverse. You don't know where the market could reverse because you don't know where drawn liquidity is, right? The whole reason why this strategy works so well is because with us knowing where drawn liquidity is, we know exactly where the market could reverse from, we know where the market could target, we know where the market could go to, and all that stuff. So when you're missing that one key detail right there, you don't know what the market could do. So yeah, if the market looks super strong, obviously right now buyers are looking extremely strong. We're breaking highs in every single candle, right? But you're running the risk of possibly catching the top and just it dumping back down, right? So this is a really big risk there. I'm not saying that you can't go long, but you could, but game plan wise it's not the smartest because you don't know what to target, right? The whole point of the trade is to target levels, right? If you have no levels, then what can you possibly target? You know what I mean? You're gonna be running like a whole risk there. You're gonna be scared pretty much, because you don't know when the market's gonna, like, you're probably gonna have one pullback right? And you don't know if it's gonna be a pullback or a reversal because you don't know if the market took out liquidity or not. Bro, what the hell? Bro, I've always found those hats super cool. Hey, bro. Hopefully today we can catch something, bro. So far, my bias is bearish. It's just a matter of when can sellers step in, right? And I don't want to see any of you guys saying, "Oh, is he playing against the trend?" No, guys, come on. We've been doing this for like literally almost a year. This is my strategy, so I don't want to hear none of that stuff. All right. I remember when you first made the commentary. Yeah, bro. I remember too, bro. If it wasn't for that, I don't even know where we would be at right now. Oh yeah, by the way, guys, that's right. Hey, bro, thank you for saying that. Yeah, guys, next week, Monday, it's Columbus Day, right? Something like that. Whatever it is, banks are closed, so we have a very, very long weekend ahead of us, which I personally need for my mental health because these markets this week has been horrible, right? So make sure to take that extra day off. You know, go enjoy your day with your family or with your friends. You know, all that stuff. Trashless holiday. Hey, bro. I don't know what's so trash about it, but the market's being closed, I'm gonna take that as an extra day to myself, you know what I mean? So I'm pretty happy about it. I day trade, but I have no friends, bro. Wait, when? Next Monday. This Monday coming up. So it will be the 14th. Yo, David. So the inverse fair value gap, I know you get in once it kind of closes above or below the fair value gap. But why don't you just wait for price to retest it for a better entry? Because price doesn't always retest. Plus, you're going to get a better entry by like 5 to 10 points. It's not the biggest deal in the world. You know what I mean? I'd rather get an earlier entry, you know, and actually get the setup. Because if you wait for the retests don't always happen, which is why I don't have it in my strategy. How can we reach this fair value gap? It's known as a BPR. It's pretty simple. Here, let me show you guys while we wait for the setup. Does anyone have the picture of the BPR? I know someone in here has it. If not, it's fine. I'll just draw it. So look. So a BPR, it's like this. So you have the okay. Look. The thing is drawing. This is gonna take forever. Okay, look. So this is what a BPR looks like, right? So let me see. Let's say, for example, you're in a bullish trend. Right, you're in a bullish trend. Whatever, you make the fair value gap right here. Boom. Okay. Right, so you have the fair value gap just like this. Right. Now, what tends to happen is, you know, you get the inverse just like this. You inverse this fair value gap, and then what happens after is price retraces back into the midpoint of the first fair value gap that you just inversed, which will look like this. It retraces into this midpoint, right? This right here is known as a BPR. It's a retracement into the inverse of the first fair value gap that you inversed, right? So what tends to happen right after is the market just rejects back down, right? So that's why when I tell you guys, when we take fair value gaps and we see a pullback, I'm like, guys, don't even stress about the pullback. It might be a BPR, right? Anytime you guys hear me saying that, this is what I mean by that, right? We have a regular fair value gap right here, right? We inverse the fair value gap and we get a pullback. This pullback should not be scaring you guys. It actually should be giving you guys more confirmation behind the trade. The reason I say this is because what tends to happen is when we retrace, we usually retrace into the midpoint. If we go above, then you guys might be cooked a little bit, but usually it's the midpoint, you know, around there, and then we go back down, right? This is a BPR. So if you guys want to go ahead and screenshot it, feel free to, you know, all that good stuff. But I'm going to delete it now. But yeah, that's pretty much what it is. Here, let me undo everything. There you go. Okay. But yeah, hopefully we can get a nice sell-off soon. ES is still looking pretty strong, to be fair. But yeah, I'm bearish, man. I'm bearish. I don't care if it takes all day. I'm gonna make sure that we get that selling right there, you know, so we can go from there. Hey, bro, I got you, Yogurt. I got you. And but by the way, just so I can like, do you guys? I think I asked this. I don't remember. Let me see. Then why not just set our stop loss above the midpoint? Because you don't know exactly. The problem with that, guys, is obviously with the drawing it looks pretty simple, but when the market is moving, you don't know where it's gonna retreat into. Maybe it might stop you out. You don't know. You don't know. You know what I mean? You don't know where it's gonna go to. That's the problem. So you can either set your stop loss at the top of the fair value gap or where the candle rejected. Because look, the BPR won't always happen. Actually, it rarely happens, right? Fair value gap is very far. It's fine. It's fine. We can get another one up here. It's totally fine. But what's it called? You can pretty much base your stop loss off anything. Yeah, we pumped into liquidity at 466, which is something I kind of wanted to see. If anything, we could take out 508, which is this high up here. I saw someone ask about it. And we can still get the same game plan, just a bit higher, guys. It's really the same thing here. But here, I'm gonna go ahead and delete this game plan right here because I don't want to confuse you guys too much. Maybe we'll get something up here. But let's see. There you go. I'm catching up with my YouTube chat, guys. I haven't read you guys in a minute. Alright. Yo, Blast is squeezy. Hey, bro, what's up? Wait, bro, why are you not in the Discord? In the live streaming in the Discord. Why didn't you catch the move at the 925 fair value gap? Because I wasn't up. I'm gonna be completely honest with you, bro. I was sleeping. What are the time zones for futures? Okay, 6 p.m. EST till 3 a.m. EST is Asia. 3 a.m. EST till 9:30 a.m. EST is London, and 9:30 a.m. EST till 4 p.m. EST is New York session. Or you can argue that it's 5, but you can't really place any trades in that 1 hour time period. Does he read YouTube comments? Yeah, but just rarely, because you know I had to tab out and look at that. Do you mark out London highs and lows only? No, I do London and Asia highs and lows. It's just me. Yeah, okay, yeah. The YouTube is delayed. You only trade once a day? Yeah, like 1 to 2 times a day. Yeah, 1 to 2 times a day. But yeah, guys, let's see if we can create another fair value gap here, which would be beautiful. I don't really think ES can really go as high as we're expecting. I know we're pushing up like crazy, but man, we're at all-time highs. How high can we really go here? You know, hopefully it's not one of these days where we just pump up like for no reason, but you know, our reason is pretty valid, I would say. Is he reading the Discord chat? Yeah, I am. For those that don't know, yes, I am live on both YouTube and Discord. And of course, I'm more active with my Discord. The sky's the limit, obviously. Yeah. But you know what I mean. Just being realistic, you know, I would hope we see some downside soon. But so far, we have just barely a fair value gap here. I'm not gonna lie, I would hope for us to go just a bit higher, so we can really like confirm the fair value gap here. What kind of graphics card? Shit, bro, I don't know. Is there any way to check that? I'm pretty sure it's through your task manager, right? When inside a small bearish fair value gap. Yeah. I mean, it can give us extra confirmation, but I'm really hoping we can hold this candle to the complete upside. Bro, I don't know how to get into that, bro. Also shows it. Yeah, I figured. Hold on. Let me go and open it up here. What's the music about in the YouTube? I don't know. I just kind of wanted to add it because the YouTube felt a little bit what's it called? I don't know, like boring. So I just put up some random playlists. Let me see. Performance. Is it a GPU, right? Here is this one. I don't know if I'm pretty sure it's good, right? This is what I have. You guys let me know. Oh wait, I'm not even screen sharing my entire screen. Yeah, hold on. Okay, there we go. Let me know, guys. Wait, bruh, we didn't create the fair value gap. I mean, I'm gonna be completely honest with you guys. With how the market is moving, we're not super far away from this fair value gap. We're not really. All we need is like 1 to 2 selling candles, and we're right there. But of course, it's gonna take some time. So we're here for it. You know what I mean? But yeah, guys, here's what it is. And this is my CPU. I don't know what this is. But yeah. Anyways, let me see. Did you upgrade? Yo, yeah, I've been upgraded. Rich? Nah, this computer wasn't like what, like 1.6? Okay. Honestly, it's worth every penny. It's worth literally every penny. Here, let me go ahead and there you go. How about super old? 1.6 what's in it? I don't know, but whatever's in it, bro, this shit is good, bro. Let me tell you guys. Let me tell you guys. Do you have a discount for you? Yeah, I do. Here. David, is it 40 points for NQ and 10 points on ES for the strategy? Yes. Yes, 40 plus points, 10 plus points on ES. Yes, sir. Let me see. Oh yeah, it's a huge tax write-off. Is it a pre-built? Yeah. Yeah. Do you trade the 30-minute open? No, not really. I kind of avoid the 30-minute open. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I say that I avoid. Okay, I do avoid the 30-minute open, or the first 30 minutes of market open. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Well, I said that like a million times already. I'm waking up around that range, so you know, by the time I get ready, by the time I prepare the stream, by the time I develop a game plan, it takes like 30 minutes. So that's why. You know what I mean? David, when you're doing evals, do you full port? No, I just trade them regularly. I might size a little bit heavier, but it's an eval at the end of the day. But when I have fun, the thing is, I'm scared of that. All these cables that I'm looking at right now, it scares me, bro. I don't know what any of these do. I was studying it. I know some of them, but I gave up to do trading. Thanks for your honesty. Yeah, of course, I got you, bro. I mean, let me see. Is there a minimum RR? Yeah, 1 to 2. I don't trade anything less than a 1 to 1. Or I mean 1 to 2. 1 to 1, like it. You know, I won't do that. But yeah. The thing is, yeah, all these cables, bro, they scare me, bro. They really do. Same with cars, bro. Like, I understand the parts, but just seeing them all together, bro, like it fucks with me, bro. You know what I mean? Like, all that shit scares me. So, bro, Ronnie, wait, what time is it? Okay, so you sent that message about like what, like 12 minutes ago? It was funny as hell yesterday or the day before hearing that you were trading against. That's what I'm saying, like, bro, like, where's this coming from? You know what I mean? Like, bro, so like a lot of people on my YouTube were like are like, bro, you're playing against trend, like, why are you even doing this? I'm like, bro, what? I've been doing this for like the last 2 years. What do you mean? Just because the market doesn't do what our strategy is telling us what to do, doesn't mean that the trend doesn't work, bro. Or I mean the strategy. How's the C8, bro? It's amazing, bro. I'm just scared of the transmission, bro. I hear so many. I mean, I got the newest one just in case. Maybe, hopefully they fixed it. But man, no, the amount of issues I hear with that transmission, bro, it scares me. Like I floor it, but it's like I can't sleep good at night, bro. Yeah, I have the warranty, so I really have nothing to worry about, bro. I already got a nail in the fucking tire, bro. Bro, BPR. Wait, what? When you trim all the way? Yeah, no. Okay. When it comes to trimming, a 1 to 1 is not bad at all. You guys gotta keep that in mind. Now, if your entire trade is a 1 to 1, then that's an issue. Because when you're trimming, you're literally trimming at like less than a 1 RR, right? But when it comes to your first trim and you do it at a 1 to 1, it's not bad at all, right? Now, the entire trade should definitely be more than a 1 to 2, right? Or a minimum of 1 to 2, right? So you take one trim out at a 1 to 1, and then you take another one at a 1 to 2. You know what I mean? But yeah. And no, I will never cut the trade short, even if the market is moving slow. I will just not trade it. You know what I mean? Issues already? No, I don't have any issues. No, I'm just scared of the issues, bro. Cause I okay, I got you. Yeah. It was more for YouTube, but I don't know if you guys want the. There you go. Let me know if you guys can hear it. I had that. I have it on for YouTube. How do I trim? Because I only use. Okay, look. If you're gonna do 1 mini, just do 10 micros, so you can actually trim that 1 mini. Oh, because you're on top step, bro. That's why I don't like top step, bro. They do that stupid thing where you can't do 10 micros. Yeah. That's the issue right there. So you're kind of cooked, bro. That's the problem. Found the KSI, bro. Yo, bro, David, I'm in RP's Lifetime Academy. Is it cool if I get the live stream too? Nah, bro, I'm not affiliated with RP, bro. Not like that, though. Not like that. Like our things are not together like that. What artists do I listen to? Bro, right now my favorite one has to be what's it called? His name is Low. He's bro. I don't know if you guys know him. The bootcamp, bro. I'm working on it, bro. It's in the works. I feel like the first video will be out sometime this weekend, hopefully, if not Monday. If not Monday. But right now, bro, this is my favorite one. I don't know if you guys know him. He's pretty... He's upcoming, I'm gonna say. He's upcoming. I use Tops of X. Bro. What's it called? No. Okay, Tops of X is good. The problem is... Okay, look. When you guys are using TopStep and you guys have the Tradevate broker, it's not good. It's not good at all. Bro, there. I knew someone knew about him. There it is. Yeah, no, the Tradevate broker sucks for Tradevate. Like, or not for TopStep, my bad. Not Tradevate itself. No, TopStep. Because they have these rules that fucks up everything. Like, you can only do 5 micros. That's dumb. I want to do 10. You know what I mean? So, you can't really trim. Yeah, you can only do 5. Yeah, 5. It's either 5 minis or 5 micros. There's no in between. So, that sucks. That's why I don't do TopStep on top of that as well. And I'm surprised they haven't fixed that issue. You know why I think they do that? It's so they think that Tradevate sucks, so they start buying the TopStep X accounts, so TopStep makes more money. And on top of that, guys, the problem with TopStep X is it's not regulated. So there has been times, hear me out, guys. Since wait, guys, hold that thought for a second. I just got the email that I needed. Give me one sec. Let me see. Okay, there you go. Okay, so they suggest adding. Okay, perfect. Guys, give me one second. Let me go ahead and. Yes, it's getting weaker. Yeah, so is NQ. And I completely forgot what I was gonna tell you guys. Oh yeah, the unregulated stuff. Yeah, Apex and MFFU is regulated because you're using Tradevate as a broker. Now, the problem with TopStep X, guys, and I've seen this before. I know I might sound crazy, but here. So with TopStep being an unregulated broker, that means that the price that they show you guys, it doesn't have to be the real price. They can control the price, believe it or not, right? Because it's unregulated, right? So with the price being unregulated, well, at least it was. I don't know if it still is, right? But it was, right? I think it still is. I could be wrong though. But what the problem is, with the price being unregulated, there's been times where I've seen it myself, where price on TradingView or on Tradevate, it's been 2 ticks below the TopStep X price. So I know it might sound crazy. It's like who cares? It's only 50 ticks, guys. What happens there is, even if your price gets hit, you know, there's been times where we've barely missed the stop loss, right? So what tends to happen is TopStep X will stop you out when the actual price never stopped you out, and that's how they make money. So when it comes to trading with unregulated brokers, it's a really, really big deal. You guys have to be careful with that. I'm not saying that it will happen, right? It actually, the chance of that happening is less than 1%, but it has happened before, right? Maybe it was intentional, maybe it was server-side issues. You know what I mean? I don't know, right? But it has happened before, because I've had a few complaints of like, hey, I got stopped out. And I'm like, how did you get stopped out if the stop loss missed it by like a tick or 2 ticks, right? It's because TopStep X, and I've seen it myself, they are able to, it could either be a server lagging issue, right? Or it could be intentional. That's the problem with unregulated brokers. So anytime you guys are trying to trade, make sure that the broker is regulated, like Tradevate or, you know, Rhythmic or NinjaTrader, right? You guys need to be careful with that. All right, guys. So yeah. So here, let me go ahead and make sure. Make sure I put this out real quick. See, update website. I've been working on something here and I finally got it fixed. Apex sale, yeah. Currently, guys, right now there is no Apex sale going on. So once it is, you know, once it happens, I got you guys with the, with the, code. Okay, I just updated it. Let me email them back. Guys, do you guys see how price is getting weak around this 468 range? Right, this is what we want to see. Now, really all we need here is an MSS to form. Once we get that, I know we're pretty far away. We're like almost 100 points away from this entry, but maybe we can get maybe on the way down we create another setup. Who knows? Who knows? But yeah, here, let me go ahead and email them really quick. Give me 1 second, guys. Okay, perfect. What's this playlist? I don't know. I just found it. I'm like, yo, this could be a pretty nice thing for the stream on YouTube. No selling from Apex. I bought my first lifetime 50k PA today for 85 bucks. I thought there was no discount. Yeah, I mean, bro. Wait, what? For real? Oh, guys, they wait. Did they add 85 bucks for? Cause it's usually 160. Share with us. It's this one. It's only 50%. I mean, shit. That's money, bro. Who are you guys to complain? You know what I mean? It's this one, bro. It's where is it, bro? Hold on. This one. I just found this one like on the suggested and I just put it. I mean, it's pretty good for the stream, honestly. I can't lie. That shit got me feeling sleepy though. Yeah. It's good for focusing, I guess. Because you paid for the eval before it ended? Oh yeah, no, I'm not talking about myself. Okay, guys, let's see if we can start creating the MSS here. Let me go ahead and put this out to the commentary real quick. DOL. Oops, hold on. Price getting weak. Okay. Let me go ahead and put this out to the commentary channel, guys. Give me 1 second. Yeah, price is getting weaker, guys. It's a really good sign here. Really good sign. Do you guys remember how I told you, like, literally, like 2 minutes ago, how we said the that you know that's buyers are getting weaker around this range? That's why. So all we need now is just to inverse the fair value gap. We're getting the confirmation that we need the sweep and the MSS. So all we need now is simply the inverse, and we should be good for some shorts. See, IQ chart update. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and say that 20,468.25 swept. MSS forming, inversing the bearish fair value gap. Wait, or the bullish fair value gap. My bad. Bullish fair value gap. Okay. Did we create? Okay, now we might be a little bit screwed here because now the problem with the sell-off is now we're creating. Okay, no, we didn't even create the fair value gap there. Good. There you go. That's another fair value gap. There's not one here. I wouldn't trade this one. I mean, you could if you want to. But it's riskier. It's definitely a lot riskier than just waiting for this one to get inversed. I have the same question. Wait, what? What counts as an MSS? Okay. For those that don't know, no, it doesn't really matter how hard the candles really sell off or pump up. What an MSS is, guys, it's just the trend flipping from creating either, it could be higher highs and higher lows into lower highs and lower lows, or lower lows and lower highs into higher highs and higher lows. It's just the trend flipping. How are you able to identify the trend? By looking for higher highs and higher lows, or lower lows and lower highs. Right? Yeah, it's a market structure shift. It's really, really easy. So look, guys, when the market is looking something like this, right? Where the market is in a bullish trend, it's constantly going up, breaking new highs, creating higher highs, right? And then we take out liquidity, and now we're starting to create lower highs and lower lows, just like this. This is an MSS model, right? It's the trend flipping from bullish to bearish or from bearish to bullish. It's super simple. Super simple. Obviously, right now, we don't have an MSS yet because we only have one big selling candle. But what can start happening right now is, now that we got this strong selling candle, we can start expecting new lows to be broken not every single candle, but, you know, as we go on, right? Instead of new highs being broken. Are you going to treat this, since there's... Okay. Here it is, right? Because a lot of you guys are now mentioning the 5-minute fair value gap. On top of that, guys, if you measure this candle, it's not really a super valid one. It's only 37 points. You could trade this one, but it's not really like the cleanest. You know what I mean? I'd rather just wait for this one. If you guys are gonna take shorts here, you guys could get an earlier entry, but it's gonna be a little bit risky. A little bit risky. Does that 3 points really matter? I mean, not really, but you know, it's rather safe than sorry. I would rather wait for the main inverse to step in, and then we go from there. Is there a certain point where it becomes an MSS like a break of structure? I don't know too much about break of structure, but like I said, it depends how the trend is looking like. But so far, I mean, you know, the trend is not bearish yet. The MSS is forming, but it's not bearish because the market's not creating lower lows and lower highs. Well, it is creating lower lows, but no lower highs yet, right? So we don't know if a pullback is going to be a reversal and etc. I think you're talking about the 10-cent candle. Oh, no, if you're going to take this one, you're gonna have a whole nother fair value gap to worry about down here. But yeah, guys, here we're getting the selling that we want to go ahead and see, guys. So far so good. MS is just like a BOS. You could think of it like that. Yeah, I mean the idea is kind of different, but it's kind of the same at the same time. But yeah, guys, by the way, today, since it's Friday, I'm gonna stick more to commentary. I'm kind of just gonna commentate behind this trade, just because I don't want to ruin the Friday. You know, this week has been stressful enough already. But you know, that should be about it. Let me see. Okay. Hey guys, damn, we went straight into this fair value gap. Okay, let me go ahead and delete all of this. Matter of fact, hold on, guys. Let me write the alert real quick. Give me 1 second. Hopefully, price doesn't dump down super quick. Hold up, guys. Hold on, guys. Let me see. Okay, we will want to target 20,301, which is the main level. 20,301, 301.50, and 20,238.50. I think we're gonna see. Okay, cool. So I got that written. Let me check up on my YouTube chat. Maybe you guys have some questions there going on. Give me 1 second. Hopefully we don't get too much of a strong bounce off this fair value gap. Okay, let me see. Have you had payouts since using this strategy? Bro, yeah, it's all on my Discord. All on my Discord. Let me see. My subscription will expire. Wait, you need. Oh, I don't know anything about that. Damn, you guys are glazing the strat here, yo. RP strat is valid, but it's hard for me to know when to enter. David's strat just clicks way more for me and hasn't the same. Okay, bro. I switched over to a strat the same day he lost a 30-day win streak, but the strat is solid. My subscription will expire in RP Discord in a few weeks. Once it doesn't, subscribe to David's Discord. I'm just on the YouTube live until then. The 2-minute delay sucks, but I guess try. Yeah, bro. If anything, yeah, okay. Seems like you guys are just chatting up here. How big of a stop loss? Do 25 points. Usually with inverses, I usually do 25-ish points. There you go. But yeah, guys. I'm gonna glitz all over you. Okay, bro. Okay, guys, we're getting closer and closer to this inverse. But yeah, like I said, guys, I'm gonna be doing more commentary on this one. I just want to watch how this plays out, because it's Friday. You guys know I'm pretty chill on Fridays, especially after such a tough week like this week. Why? Just cause it's the same thing. I'll let you guys know when to enter and all that stuff. This one, yeah, I will. Do not worry. Come on, be a degen, bro. Bro, dark matter, bro. I need the list of those songs. Guys, here. A lot of you guys are asking me for it. Here, let me go ahead and link it. I don't know if it was this good. I thought it was gonna be more like yo, turn this shit off. But it's pretty chill, bro. It's pretty chill. Here. Are you gonna do a straight? I'm probably gonna. I don't know. I do want to commentate behind it though, because the setup is there. Bro's not trying to stress today. Exactly. That's the reasoning, bro. It's Friday, bro. It's a long weekend. I'm not trying to go into this weekend with a losing trade. You know what I mean? Hey, Blaster, for tops up, not allowing you to trade 10 micros. Were you talking about the combine or the XFA? I'm talking about combine. I don't know too much about XFA, because they already have rules behind that. But look, Kenny, I'm not talking about tops of X. I'm talking about trade of 8. Trade of 8 is a whole different issue. And I'm talking about the 50k account, not the 100k plus. Oof. Damn. Okay, ES is approaching. NQ is about inverses, but ES is approaching this Ferrari gap. This might not be the best. But if NQ has some strength there, it'll be fine. That'll be fine. Why is live stream so behind? Because YouTube is delayed by 2 minutes. David Shardy works very good. I've been following him. It's been worth it. Cool, bro. Thank you, bro. Thank you. But guys, let's see if we can get this inverse right here. Hopefully we can get it soon, so we can cut it a day quick. Cause I want to go to the gym right now. I have some energy. You know, I woke up on the good side today, so hopefully we can get something good here. So far we are bouncing off this midpoint, so nothing too crazy going on. Hopefully it's not like a huge bounce. But we on that. Loki, this is the best volume we've seen in 2 weeks now. Surprisingly, it's been way better than CPI and FOMC. Guys, did you guys by the way, Clockwise, if I do it, I'll probably just do it on my own pretty lightly, because it's Friday, bro. I kind of want to, you know, just chill out for the Friday, you know, just chill out with you guys, watch the market and all that stuff. So that's why I'm doing more commentary. I just feel a little bit drained as well from all that shit. But no, regardless, I'll let you guys know when to enter and all that stuff. It'll be the same. Trading with you from Thailand. Damn, bro. Okay, cool. Thoughts? I can't really read that, because my thing is like pixelated. I'll check it out now. Would shorting ES after the inverse be a bad play? Not really. You guys, if you guys want to wait the extra confirmation, you guys could always inverse this. But you know what? If you guys want an earlier entry, I would do NQ. Yo, who's the one in Thailand? He's on YouTube. His name is Bart. Just joined the live. About to leave. Also, I want to say thanks, Blast. Hey, bro. Appreciate you, bro. Thank you, bro. Thank you. Are you back? Yo, bro. Call it a day, bro. If you guys are green on a Friday, bro, call it. At 10 a.m. That's even though it's an orange folder. Yeah, that's bro. Yeah, I don't know why it's orange. It should be red. Yeah, I feel like 766. Wait, what? Bro, you got filled at the complete top. Bro, okay. Any funding in 4 trades, 4 different days? Bro, good shit, bro. Good shit. The 15-minute for value gap is larger than the 5-minute. The 15-minute. Well, I mean, yeah. If you guys want to wait for that one, realistically, if we inverse the 5-minute, we should be able to inverse the 15-minute without a doubt. But if you wanna wait that the 9-point difference, you guys could do that as well. But so far, I mean, we are holding this midpoint pretty well. Hopefully, this is gonna be a lower high that we create right here, so it could be like this, guys. So, like I said, market, we form the MSS, we go down to sphere up, we form a lower high, we go back down, we get a little pullback maybe, and we go even lower. Right, this is the game plan right now, guys. Right, although we're getting a bounce, don't let it scare you. Don't let it think that the setup is not valid anymore. It is valid. Just give it some time. Let it do its thing, and then we should be pretty good. Why are we bearish instead of bullish? Because the market took out liquidity, we formed the MSS, and we got the sweep. So everything is checking out for our strategy to look for shorts. And as well, the market is going down, bro. Full size as it plays out? Yeah. There's no reason to not go full size here. I mean, the volume is looking pretty good. So if you guys are going to take it, in my opinion, I would do... Yeah, so far it's an A+ setup. Yeah. So far, I would do full size. Yeah. If that's what you guys want to do. Of course, like I said yesterday, guys, a lot of you guys have been not using the right stop loss. Some of you guys used the wrong stop loss. And the reason I say the wrong stop loss is you guys are playing with stop losses that are too tight. What do I mean by this? Well, if you guys are... Okay, first of all, if you guys are sizing heavy, right? If you guys are sizing heavy... The problem with this is your stop loss can't be that big, right? Meaning that if NQ has a little pullback, you're going to get stopped out and you're going to lose a lot of money for sizing heavy. So what you do instead, it's common sense here, guys, right? Yo, what? Bro, okay. Anyways, what you guys do is instead of sizing heavy, you guys size lighter and just have a, a wider stop loss. Meaning that you give the trade more breathing room, so if it has a pullback, you won't get stopped out, but if it goes in your favor, you'll make money. You know what I mean? From RPs, oh yeah, you're from RPs. Okay, cool, bro. Welcome. Full size with a 30-point stop loss? No. Do 25 points. And by full size, guys, I mean be smart with your sizing. Like, by full size, I don't mean full port. You know what I mean? I just mean like the usual size that you guys would take on a regular trade. Is there a way to tell if this is a pullback to equal? Okay, I don't even know how to pronounce that word, and I don't know what that is. I've heard about it, but I don't know how to read equilibrium, whatever that is. Why not long here? Because I'm not looking for longs, my man. Right here, the game plan is we have drawn liquidity, we swept it, we're trying to form an MSS, and we're looking to inverse this to target liquidity below. Actually, I would target this low right as well. But hopefully this could be, hopefully this candle right here is just a what's it called, a lower high that we're just creating. Play the thick of it, bro. No, bro. You've been asking me this since yesterday, bro. It's not that good, bro. It's actually horrible. It's already 11. Damn, bro. Today's going by fast. Really fast. Today's going by really fast. It's 8 a.m. For me, it's 11. Oh, it's about to be 11. Today I have arms. Is it a nice idea to take a rejection off this 5-minute bearish rally above us? You could. I just wouldn't. I wouldn't because I don't know. I don't feel like this Fair Rally Cup is all that strong. Like, you don't have too much to work with here. What was the biggest trade you ever got? It was about 600 points, and I caught it on live. Well, I didn't catch the whole thing. I ended up catching about 350 points, I think, around there. Here, let me show you guys. Matter of fact, here, this was the biggest trade I caught. So it was 600, right? Yeah, how many times did you guys type 600? 27 pages. Hold on. Was this biggest trade? Hold on. The thing is, I can't even write from because I'm on streamer mode. I want to show you guys the biggest trade that we caught. It was actually insane. While we wait for this trade as well. How many pages are there here? Okay, there's only 2. So it should be right here. Right here. So we caught it on the 27th of August. Damn, 2 days after my birthday. Okay. So let's go over to the 27th. What is market doing? Nothing crazy. Okay. Let me show you guys. This is the biggest trade I've ever caught in my entire career of my 4 years of trading. This is the biggest trade I've ever caught. Let me scroll all the way up. Okay, where we at? Oh, we scrolled way too high up. Oops. Hold on. Okay, this is the 10th. Was it on the 27th actually? I don't remember this being on the 27th. I feel like it was a lot later, but it wasn't. Okay, 27th. No, it was not on the 27th. Then when was it? Hold on. Because, yeah, it was a lot. Wait, what is the market doing? Okay, nothing. Hold on. Biggest trade. It was on the... When was it, bro? Yo, what is this Chinese ass music, bro? Hold up. Wait. No, because it was shorts. I remember it was shorts. Wait. No, this was last year. Yo, when was it? Yo, do you guys remember? Bro, wait, pause. Hold on. I didn't mean it like that, bro. Is your birthday? Around there. Yeah. Can you search 600 points? Because the thing is, it was about 600 points, but I don't remember what I typed. Check the night. No, it wasn't in September. Was it? Wait, for real? Oh shit, nice. I remember you typed 600 points because I missed it. Let me see. Hold on. Because I really want to show everyone. Okay, I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I didn't hold it all the way through. But hold on, it could be here. I didn't hold it all the way through, but wait, oh damn, we're pumping up a little bit. We're in July. It wasn't, no, it wasn't that far back. Oh, right here. Actually, it was August 1st. Okay, guys, August 1st. Okay, hold on. August 1st. Here it is, guys. I found it. Bro, I was just randomly scrolling and I found it. Okay, guys, here's my biggest trade I've ever caught in my entire career. This was like 2 months ago. Like, the amount of money I made this day, it's it's unreal. You guys don't understand, right? So we got stopped out of first. Wait, I got a notification. You give me 1 second. Okay, I got stopped out of first, right? We were taking shorts off this inverse. You know, we got the sweep, we got the inverse. You know, all that good stuff. We were talking liquidity. Nothing crazy, right? We got stopped out. It's whatever. We re-entered because we got the break below. You know, we got the rejection. It was just a BPR. You know, a BPR retest, right? So we re-entered, right? The risk reward here wasn't looking the best. You know, my strategy was still getting tweaked on a little bit here, but guys, look at this. So we caught this entry. It hit PT1. You know, feel free to trim most off here. You know the deal, right? We go lower. It goes lower. It goes lower. It goes lower. It goes lower. It went so low. Look, guys, we got the entry right here. It got so it dumped so much that I had to go on like the 30-minute time frame to actually find the thing. 642 points on this trade, guys. Keep in mind, I didn't hold this all the way through, but guys, 600 and pretty much 50 points. You know what that is? And then the next day we just went back like nothing happened. But yeah, that I'm pretty sure it was some war news that came out. This was like I think when war was starting or something happened. I don't remember. Or no, it wasn't war. It was the recession. I think it was the Japanese currency recession or something like that, where the currency just died and the whole market just died alongside with it. So we were able to catch this move. 642 points. Most people were in, or some people were in the whole move down. You guys don't understand that amount of money that we made that day. Like, I've never seen so much money in my life. I promise you guys. I've never seen so much money in my life from that day. I'm How many contracts did you trade yesterday, and what was your profit? I traded 10 contracts, and I made about $400. I think it was like $440 per trade. I mean, per account. I did it with 10 accounts. Yeah, so 10 accounts. And then once this payout window opens up, guys, I'm gonna request that payout. I'm requesting another 10 account payout, bro. So we on that. I already hit the amount. Thanks to yesterday, we finally hit the 10-day mark. So we're requesting that payout really soon on the 15th. So 4 more days, guys, to request that payout. How much did you win? There I was kind of forced to sell there. That day I think I made about close. I think it was. I don't know. I think it was like 6 or 8K that day. With 5 accounts. Yeah. Because I didn't have the balls to do 10 accounts. Did the 30% not affect it? Not really, no. Because it will, I think I made about 900 per account. But the thing was, with the 30%, you can go just barely above it. You can go up a bit above it, and you'll be fine. I'm not so much. Hey, bro, of course. Not a bad idea to reject this fair value gap. Okay. It's not a horrible idea, but it's also not the best idea. I really don't see us going higher. We could, but I don't see us going really all that high up. But we'll see. Hopefully we can reject that. I would rather use this fair value gap for more as a bias. I would rather use it more as a bias rather than an entry. And then, with the bias that we get off of this fair value gap, I will later then use this to inverse this bearish one or this bullish one below. You think we can see 508? We're not. Honestly, we're not all that far from it. If we do see it, it would probably be more during the PM session rather than the AM session. Because it's not all that far, but it's pretty far if you guys really look at it. I mean, calling the week, it was horrible. But you didn't catch it yesterday, bro, or were you not on yesterday? Because yesterday we caught a pretty good movement or a pretty good trade for 80 points. You didn't catch it? Oh, you probably didn't want to get in because of the volume. A lot of people were talking about the volume being bad on that trade, which you can't really argue with that. Hold on, guys. I just got the email that I wanted to see. Let me see what they told me. Hi. It's Friday back. Appreciate the response you provided. I want to let you know that we're currently reviewing your account. Back this. Okay, perfect. Bro. Bro, what are these questions, bro? If we inverse this 5-minute fair value gap, could we long? That's the problem. I wouldn't long this because I personally don't see us going higher. We could go into 508, but you know what I mean? Like, what for? We have so much more room to go lower. But yeah. Let me check up on ES. ES didn't even retrace this fair value gap, which is, honestly, if anything, guys, we could probably look at this setup during the PM session. This might be a PM session type of setup. Double top? It could be retracement into this liquidity above. I personally I really do see us going lower. I do see us going lower. When? That I can't, obviously, I can't answer that because I don't know. Right? But I personally do see us going lower, and everything. I mean, we just have the reason to go lower. You know what I mean? It's just the question is, when do we see it? That is not an answer that I have. I wish I had it, but I was really expecting us to inverse it in this candle. I'm surprised we even bounced off of this. It was actually a really nice bounce, but it's not what I was looking for. It's not what I was looking for. It's pretty obvious we rejected off the first fair value gap. Yeah, I know that. But yeah, like I said, this fair value gap, honestly, it wasn't really the strongest, so I wasn't even expecting so much of a reaction off this one. I told you guys this like a million times, which is why I told you guys try not to trade this one and just use the other one as well. Do you think we should wait to put our sell limits? No. Just enter when the setup is ready. Don't do limits. That's dumb because you're not waiting on the confirmations. Entry retraces between 50 and 61% with the trend. Yeah, I guess. Keep in mind, this could be we can still, as long as we don't break this high up here, this could be just a small pullback to go lower. We're going for a discount price. Now we're going to 508. Simple as that. If you guys think we see 508, I mean, fuck it. I personally, I mean, we could see, like I said, we could definitely see 508. It's just I don't see the reason why. I mean, we're getting all the confirmation that we need here, right? We have DOL, we swept it, we formed the MSS. We're forming it at least right now. So honestly, in my opinion, for now, as long as we don't break this high at like 480, I personally think that this is just a pullback. I really do think. It's, of course, it's gonna take some time to see what is actually gonna happen, but right now, what I think is, I think we can go lower. Equal highs to 7. Yeah, I mean, it's not the cleanest equal highs, but it's definitely there. It could be pretty strong if you reject this fair value gap. We'll see. We'll see. I agreed on the bearish setup. Might be better for the PM session. Yeah, we might need some more buying exhaustion. Yeah, that's probably what we need. Cause like if we swap liquidity at 468, why do we need to go, higher? Bro, Ben. If I get a good movement through this inverse fair value gap, it might be a solid move for pretty easy entry. Are you gonna be targeting 508? You could do that. You could do that, yeah. You're just running a big risk there. I would say, hold on. I would say I'm bearish until we break above this 480 level. If we break above this 480 level, then we'll get sent straight into 508. ES keeps sitting at 58.60. I mean, well, it's ES at the end. I'm surprised it even had this type of movement this morning, because you guys know how ES moves. You know what I mean? Can you explain why you chose 20,220 as your prop in that previous liquidity point? That is a previous liquidity point. Look at it right here. Or, well, it's right here. Right? So what's going on here is if you go on the higher time frame, you can see right here. The market was in a bullish trend on the higher time frame, right? Every single pullback that the market has is a DOL point, right? So we have DOL, right? We pushed up, we found this low, pushed even higher, DOL, pushed high, pulled back, pushed higher, DOL, pushed down, pushed up again, DOL, and so on. Right, so yeah, it is a pretty nice level of liquidity right here, right? Because the market pushed up, pulled down, found this low, pushed even higher, right? So that's what we would want to target there. But yeah, guys, I'm praying that next week is not a chop. Guys, if next week is choppy, bro, I don't even know what I'm gonna do, man. I don't even know what I'm gonna do. This week was so draining. You guys don't understand. I'm like, I want this market to close already, man. You guys don't understand. I need a break off the charts for like a weekend, because this week has been. Let me see. Yeah, I know, Ray. I will let you guys know once Apex puts the 80% back up. Every discount code that you guys use on Apex will be 50% off. Yeah, bro. Bro, yeah. Markets are open on Monday. Are they? I don't think they are. Let me check for you. Hold up. Because it is a bank holiday. They're not open? Yeah, no, they're not open. What's gonna be open, guys, is the futures market. Just because it's open does not mean it's tradable. Please do not trade the futures market on Monday. Please. Yeah, they're open till 12, but do not trade it. Trust me, it's gonna be the price is not even gonna move. It's gonna be the most horrific price action ever. Do not do it. Right, yeah, anytime the New York market is closed, the futures market remains open, but that does not mean that it's tradable. Please do not trade it. Like, I'm not telling you guys, like, oh, if you guys want to trade it. No, I'm telling you guys, do not trade it, guys. Guys, with banks being closed, the market is not going to move because the big money is not in the market. Right? So nothing will happen even if the market is open. Do not trade Monday. I'm not giving you guys, like, I'm not telling you guys, like, a choice, like, oh, if you guys want to trade it. No, I'm telling you guys right here. Do not trade it. Right? Just listen to me there. Do not trade Monday. It's closed for a reason. Banks are closed. Banks are not going to be trading. No trades on Monday? No, I mean, the market is closed, bro. I can't trade. The markets are closed for Columbus Day, bro. What's the PA profit rule for the 25K account? It's right here, bro. Hold on. Guys, let me check them on my YouTube. I have not checked them on the YouTube chat in like 20 minutes. Should we move our entries higher then? No, have the same entry. Have the same entry. Wait, what's on Monday? It's Columbus Day, right? Something like that. Some make me want to go to sleep, but it's like Minecraft music, bro. I actually like it. I'm gonna start doing this a lot more. For evals too? No, not for evals. This is only for PAs. It's only for PAs. So that was on the commentary? Yeah, the commentary is the same exact thing. There's news on Monday? No, there isn't, bro. There's nothing. There's nothing on Monday, man. For the US markets, there's nothing. What's on Monday? It's a bank holiday. It's Columbus Day, I think. Look, guys. There's no news on Monday. There's nothing on Monday. Don't even bother waking up for the markets Monday. Look, guys. All day Monday, bank holiday. It's closed. Do not trade it. Do not trade it. Monday will be closed. Just take the day off. Yes, I'm gonna say it a million times. The markets are closed Monday. Do not ask me for a live on Monday, cause the markets are closed, bro. yeah. By the way, make sure you have it filtered to USD only, because if you have it to like the Japanese currency, of course, they don't celebrate Columbus Day or whatever it is. You know what I mean? Or JFK Day or whatever. I don't know what it is, but you know they don't celebrate that. So make sure that you have it set to USD. A couple good tips for passing the 25k account. Actually, here I have a whole video on it. Matter of fact, here. Let me find it for you. It's all about your sizing. It's the trades that you take are fine, right? Because we know what we're taking. It's all about the sizing. That's all that matters. I'm seeing you guys trying to full port a 25k account like it's gonna do something. Don't do that. Just trade it like how you normally would. Like I said, like I always say, treat trading like a business. Once you trade it as a business, you're gonna start seeing the money flowing. If you're gonna be full porting and yeah, have here you go. If you're gonna be full porting, you know, a business, and of course don't expect anything out of it. You're just gonna be gambling. So once you guys start treating trading like a business, and you know, respecting your rules and knowing when to trade and when not to trade, trust me, the money will start flowing in. That's what I learned the hard way, and trust me, guys, it's the best lesson I've ever learned. Once you start treating anything like a business, it's gonna start paying out. Hey, bro, the blast, it's only, yeah, I know that. And it's good advice, but it's common sense as well. It's not something that many people think about. Because guys, with a business, like let's say for a clothing brand or whatever you guys have, right? You're not gonna be quote unquote full porting whatever you have, right? Yeah, that's stupid. Right? Can you elaborate? It's just like treat like actually having a set of rules and a set of everything behind it. You know what I mean? Like just be more professional with it. Don't be gambling your trades. Yeah, exactly. Just do it professional. You know what I mean? Back to sellers, yeah, I told you guys, we're expecting more of a pullback here. So the MSS, guys, right here is it's finally trying to form, right? So we have the main high and we're creating a lower high right here, right? So we have the main high, lower high, we have the main low. Now we need to create a lower low to go ahead and enter the shorts, right? So we're getting the final confirmation, which is the MSS forming. So yeah, guys, so far all we need now is, now that we have everything confirmed, all that we need is a simple inverse, and we should be good for the day. Been scalping? Nice, bro. Nice. Honestly, price looks pretty good today, which might be a good sign for Tuesday, hopefully. Today price has been really good today. Yeah, we gotta admit, today has been pretty. Although we haven't gotten any trades in, it's been good. It's been good. Caught the 40 points earlier, just caught another 40 points again, bro. Amazing, bro. How many contracts would you be trading to pass a fresh 50k account? Do about 9 to 10. I do 10. Do 10. And yes, I do reduce it if you're in drawdown, of course. And bro, keep asking questions, bro. That's what I'm here for. You know what I mean? Oh shit, I just dropped my water bottle. Okay. But yeah, do 10 accounts, or not 10 accounts, do 10 micros. That's what I would do. Let's see. So okay, we're back inside of this fair value gap. So let's see if we can find the inverses. We have the MSS already formed. So all we need now is literally an MSS, or no, not that. All we need now is the inverse. My bad. That's the McDonald's pattern. Yeah. How long did it take for you to get your first payout? I came into funded with a bit of experience with the market already, because I used to do options for 3 years. So it took me a bit because I was still getting used to the I was still getting used to the sizing, the contracts, this, that. and all stuff. So I don't know how long. I think it took me like, I don't know, like maybe it took me a while because I didn't know how to use fundeds. I used to do trend lines on options. Let me tell you guys, whatever used to work on options definitely does not work on futures. Futures is like a more professional type of approach to the market, guys. It's you guys don't understand. For my OGs in here, I know Extra is an OG, bro. These breakout patterns with trend lines and all these stuff like EMAs, they do not work for shit in futures. I promise you guys, when I switched to futures, I was forced to switch my strategy like a whole 180. It was horrible. Well, no, they used to work. They used to work. Maybe not now, because the markets have changed. But you know what I mean. I was forced to switch my strategy in like overnight. That's how bad it was. What's the difference between eval and PA account? Eval is the test phase. PA is the pass phase. If I move my stop loss to break even and let my runners go, do I need to worry about any trading drawdown? A bit, yeah. If you guys stop out at break even, you'll probably. It depends, because if you guys are on a PA account, after a while your trading drawdown actually freezes. On a 50k, I do know that it's after $52,000, your drawdown will go ahead and freeze. It will never trail again. Yeah, no, EMAs definitely do not work for futures. Like these people do not give a shit about your EMAs. Is there trading on evals? Yes, there is. Bro, yeah. Trust me. I used to use indicators like no other on options. I used to use like 5 indicators. 52,600 is for the payout. 52,000 on the dot is for the I don't use indicators. You can't. You really can't. It's you versus the market here in futures. No indicators will ever help you. I'm here to tell you guys that. Like the futures market does not care about. Maybe options might be a little bit easier on you, you know, with Tesla or Nvidia or stuff like that, because there's a lot more retail investors. But with futures, it's purely banks. It's only banks trading this shit. And of course, banks are not gonna use a little 5 EMA. They don't give a shit about that. So with futures, you need to what's it called? You need to learn price action. You need to learn liquidity. You need it's a need. It's not even that you want to learn it. No, you need to learn what liquidity is. Maybe not fair value gaps, but you need to know what liquidity is in the futures market. Because if you don't know that, you're gonna be liquidity. That's the problem. How do banks trade then? They trade. No one knows. There's concepts behind it, like drawing liquidity and stuff, which is what my strategy consists of. But no one really, it's a concept. No one knows what strategy the banks use. I mean, if they knew, obviously the banks would change it. So no one knows how they use what they do, right? But we do know that they move the markets. Plus, I use an indicator that auto marks fair value gaps and deletes someone's. Honestly, I like marking all my own fair value gaps. It just makes everything so much easier. 52k even on Top Step. I don't know about Top Step. I know about Apex though, not Top Step though. Banks, hedge funds, and institutions. Yeah, they all work together. Yeah, it's how, guys, when you guys see these really big candles, people like us, we can't, these candles, these are banks moving the markets. I don't know if you guys know that, like these random pumpy candles, these are all banks. Because they have all the money to pump the market. Us, with our little $100, $1,000 here and there, we can't move we can't even make like a decimal in the market. Do I only do Apex? Yeah, I only do Apex. But yeah, no, when you're gonna do face cam, honestly, bro, when I wake up, bro, I'd rather not, bro. I'd rather not. When are you starting the free bootcamp? Good question. I'm looking to put out the first video this weekend. Most likely, I'm working on it. This weekend, I'm gonna start with beginner stuff. So I'm sure that you guys might not need the beginner stuff, but it's more for the beginners, obviously. And then as we proceed, you know, as we go on, it's gonna get better and better and better as you know. As time goes. But I'm looking to post about 2 videos a week. I'm gonna do like a bi-weekly type of thing. Or no, not bi-weekly. I meant weekly. Shit, I probably shouldn't have said bi-weekly in the announcement. But hey, bro, how much would you size? Let me see. Try to pass your 50k eval. 10 micros. Just slowly but surely. Bro, give us Miami people a chance to come down and meet you and just ski with you. The thing is, I don't jet ski here in Miami. I go to the Keys. Cause that's where we have the, what is it called, the dock. That's where everything is stored. But yeah, bro, if you ever, fuck it, I've met people. Just don't be weird about it, you know what I mean? Cause I'm just gonna leave. Let's see, I'm planning on stacking as many 50k accounts as possible. What would you say to be a safe amount to keep? Bro, try to take profits. Okay, guys. The whole point of a funded account is to take profits as fast as possible. If you guys want to have some sort of a cushion, try to have like a $1,000 to $2,000 cushion before you request a payout. But yeah, the whole point of a funded account is to get payouts. Don't bag hold these funded accounts, you know, forever, because it's not how it works. Question when making a trade: do you have to set your stop loss batterly? I do it batterly. You can have ATM, which I think that's what it's called, where it just automatically moves the stop loss as it goes on. But I don't use that. I just do it manually. What would you suggest people to the people that are in here for a while with the bootcamp? So I'll let you guys know. So far, I'm gonna start off with beginners, so I'm not expecting you guys to really watch it. If you guys want to, you guys could, but it's gonna be like how to start, you know, where to sign up and all that stuff. And then I'm gonna slowly move on to risk management, emotions, discipline, patience, my setup, my strategy, this, and that stuff. It doesn't work for copy trades? Yeah, I don't know, because I always have it off. Why are you short? I'm not in short yet, bro. Not yet. I'm waiting for the confirmations. What's the difference between liquidity and draw liquidity? It's the same thing. Look kind of like art. Bro, no, not like that, bro. I'm doing that shit for free, bro. Remember when David didn't want to give advice on psychology? But the thing is, I don't really know anything about psychology. I mean, you know, I probably do, but I just don't know how to explain it. That's the problem. It's already 11, bro. Time is flying by today. It feels like I started the live like maybe like 20 minutes ago. Is it? You think we'll start to move down on this new half hour? Right now, the market is creating lower highs and lower lows, so we're gonna move down slowly but surely, right? That's the overall thing that's going on right now. Is that ICT? I promise you that looks like ICT. Is that him? Feels like price is not moving. I mean, keep in mind, Viv, we are approaching lunch hour, you know, in 30 minutes or so. So the markets could slow down for like an hour or so, and then it picks up during the PM session. Went for 3K pushing cushion on top of X instead of taking profits in 2K. Yeah, exactly. When you guys leave too much of a cushion, just take the profits, bro. That's the point of a prop firm. You take the profits and you just buy another one, you know? Man, this week is draining, bro. Guys, I don't know how I'm gonna say this, but man, I'm gonna enjoy every second of this weekend. You guys don't understand how, like, bro, like I'm sure you guys feel drained alongside with me. It's been a long weekend. Like, I need to go get water. I mean, I'm running out here. But no, it's been a long week, man. It's been a long and rough week. Although, okay, I gotta admit here, it's been a long week, but we made money this week. Bro, no, it's been a long week. But we definitely made money. That's fire. Bro. No, but we definitely made money this week. I don't know how you guys did off the first trade. I'm sure most people, I saw it, most people went red. Some people made money off that. Some people went break even. But for me, I pretty much ended break even on that trade. And then of course I made about, I think, 4K yesterday. So regardless, I'm extremely happy with this week. Let me see. You active when else? What do you mean? What do you mean by that? I said it's time to stop trading. Yeah, for lunch hour. Honestly, yeah, I'm gonna give the market. Okay. The thing is, I don't want to get off because I really like this setup and I want to catch it with you guys. So far it's slowing down. The main reason being, of course, is because of So your accounts only last one payout? No. I keep these accounts till they hit the 25k mark around there. And once you run out, because I don't want to do the 90-10 split with Apex, you just buy new ones, and then it will just reset back to the 100% split. Oh man, ES is shopping? Don't tell me that, bro. Oh, bro, we haven't even went inside the Fair Valley Cup yet. Hopefully during the PM session we can see something. But who knows, man? Who knows? Look at this chop. No. But the one time we had a setup. Hopefully we don't. Setup might work out about around 1 to 2 p.m. Yeah, I would say yeah, like around 1 to 2 p.m. We're pretty close to it. We're not. How far are we from it? Let me see. We're about. Oh, we're at 60 points away, which is not too far, but it's pretty far with this type of price action. But yeah, no, guys. In my opinion, this setup so far it's still looking A+. I really like this setup. We just need more selling to come in. Just like yesterday, guys. Remember, we stayed on yesterday for like 2.5 hours for one entry, and it ended up paying pretty well, about 80 points. So many closed, bro. Yeah. Hey, but that's a market for you, bro. Sometimes you gotta deal with the good and the bad. You know what I mean? Do you ever use a smaller time frame? No. I stick to the 5-minute, bro. Staircase down. That's the plan right now. Yeah. No, like this. I'm talking setup, not volume. The setup is really, really good. Everything is lining up perfectly. Look, we got DOL sweep, MSS forming. We have the main high, lower high, lower high. MSS is definitely there. We're respecting this fair value gap. All we need to do now is just inverses, and it looks perfect. Yeah, the volume is horrendous. The volume is not really included with this. If it's volume, I'll say like it's horrible. But who knows? Maybe PM session we might get something. You know. I mean, for puts or calls right now, puts or shorts, same thing. But we want the market to go down. But man, it's gonna take some time. Let me see. I really want to give you guys something as well. I really want to give you guys a trade for a Friday. I don't want to leave you guys without anything. Regardless, like I said, I'm happy with this week, no matter what happens. Yesterday was amazing, right? But yeah, it's choppy. Let me see. What's the daily profit limit on a 75k eval? There's no limit on evals. You can make 20k if you want to. On PAs, it's different. On a PA account, it's about $855. That's just are you sure it's still A+ when we have ES doing this shit? This Fair Valley gap in ES gives me a bad feeling. It all depends on the confirmation, bro. If selling picks up really nice, then yes, it will be perfect. If selling's a little bit bad, I'll probably just avoid the setup. But so far, you know, how long are you gonna be on stream for? I wanted to stay on until the setup played out, but so far it might be more of a PM type of stream. David, I know you have a trading video, but I wanted to ask real quick, how many points / trims do you move your stop loss to break even? After 30 points, I move it to break even. So that's why, look, for example, yesterday, we got trims, we got some trims at 25 points. I think around 25 points, maybe 20-ish, around that range. I never moved my stop loss to break even. What's the music called? Here. Hold on. I never moved my stop loss to break even. Because I don't move it until I see 30 to 40 points. And then I move it to break even. That's what I do. Trimming manually look annoying. When it comes to copy trading, yeah. When it comes to trading only one account, it's pretty easy. You just sell less than what you have. But when it comes to copy trading, you have to do the math and you have to. It's a whole deal. It's a whole deal. But at the end of the day, bro, I mean, you're making money. You know what I mean? Who cares? Who cares? You're literally pressing 2 buttons. You know what more can you ask for? And you're making a shit ton of money. You know. PM session? Yeah, I'm looking. I'm looking to do PM soon. I don't know how this market is moving, but we'll see. We will see. Am I supplying the man trader? No. Oh, you're probably talking to someone else. Is Asia time worth trading? Not really, no. Not really. I want to trade, bro. I mean, I don't know what to tell you, man. I don't know what to tell you. Yeah, guys, here. Let me ask you guys. How are we sitting on a Friday? Are we feeling good? Are we feeling patient, disciplined? How are we doing? How are we doing? How are we doing? The 15th. Oh, bro. I'm requesting the payout as well on the 15th. I'm doing 10 accounts, 2K per account. Pretty good so far, bro. A lot of you guys are feeling some depressed, bro. Come on now. It's one day. Or well, it's 1 week to be fair. So far, I'm looking feeling good. I'm not gonna lie, guys. Yesterday, with that 80-point trade, it feels like 1,000 pounds just got like lifted off my shoulders, bro. It's insane. It's insane. Cause we made money this week. We're happy with it. But man, I finally gave you guys something. You know what I mean? Although we might not, I don't know if we're gonna get something today because of this chop. But so far, so good. So far, so good. I'm happy with this week. Although it was a rough one, but we're happy with it. At least I'm happy with it. I don't know about you guys. Let me see. I haven't traded all week. This market has been horrible. Tell me about it, bro. Last week was pretty good. Okay, last week was decent. I didn't take a loss today. I'm happy. That's what's up, bro. That's what's up. I'd rather be cash than red sometimes. No, not sometimes. All the time. Which life has CME? Do the regular one. The essential one. Bro, how are we chopping like this? Don't ask me, bro. Bro. Learning how to size smaller, so that's good. Yeah, no, this week has been bad. If you started with 10 contracts and move your stop loss to break even after 20 or 30 points, how many contracts would you trim at that point? I would do 50. I usually 50% of it. So I would do like 5 trim. And then from there on after, I usually do like maybe 2 if it's a good move up, maybe 1, you know, 1 on the way up, and so on. Why are you saying we're chopping? Okay, I didn't mean that we're chopping. It's just that volume is looking very, very slow, right? Of course, keep in mind we are approaching lunch hour, so it's not a big surprise that the market is slowing down a little bit. It's a normal thing. But yeah. So far, what's chopping right here is ES, right? This is chop, right? NQ on the other hand, it's moving just slow. It's maintaining lower highs. Yeah. So going into PM session, honestly, I do believe we can see lower. All we need is that inverse, and we should be good. They've already getting the new COD? Nah, bro. Ever since BO3, that shit's been ass. That has not been any good one. Warzone was alright, but it's whatever. Can you compete with the TraderVid account? Yeah, you can. Yes, sir, you can. By the way, guys, 92 people on YouTube, guys. Go over to the Discord, guys. Click the first link in the description, guys. For my YouTube people. Join the Discord up. And moving on BO6 is the funniest thing I've ever seen. Bro, it's horrible, bro. I'm not gonna bother spending money on that. Crazy? Yeah, bro. We've been growing day by day, bro. Day by day. And that, guys, for those wondering why I'm starting the boot camp now, guys, it's because I finally built the audience that I've always wanted. You know, I have you guys in the premium, I have you guys on YouTube, guys. You know what I mean? We can finally run something up with people actually watching it. You know, so I can finally give out value that people would want to watch. Because I remember back then I tried doing a little boot camp. It will get like a few views, like 100 views, and you know, what for? So I kind of put a pause to that one. But now I'm gonna restart it and go from there. Better break the lower low. Not yet. The lower low would be down here. We're pretty far from it. I used to use, bro. Yeah, bro. We've been growing day by day, bro. Day by day, which I'm extremely proud for. By the way, guys. Okay, now that we know we're approaching lunch hour right now, slowly. Would you guys? How many of you guys are down for PM session? I don't know if I'm gonna do YouTube. You know, I usually don't do YouTube for PM session, but for the Discord. Because right now nothing's happening. And I know the second that I get off, it's probably gonna dump. But you know, the best thing is patience, bro. Trust me, it's the best thing. You long term is the best. PM live, I'm in. Okay, bet. So are you guys down for some PM sessions? That's if the setup plays out here. Yeah, let's do PM. All right, bet, guys. All right. I'll be active in the chat if anything. Yeah, I'll go live. Yeah, 100%. Like for like a million percent, I'll go live for this one. But yeah, guys. I'll see you guys during the PM then. If anything, let me know in the chat. Once this stuff is about to play out, I'll hop on really quick and then we take it together. All right, guys. All right, I'll catch you guys in a bit. All right, peace out, guys. Peace. All right, and for the people on my YouTube, guys, if you guys want to go ahead and join the premium for the PM session live and for the future lives with the alerts, commentary, you know, videos, courses, and all that, guides and all that stuff, guys, go ahead and click the first link in the description. Use code TRIAL for your first month discounted if you guys are interested in joining. But yeah, guys, if anything, I'll see you guys. Although we couldn't catch anything today, we did catch something yesterday. If anything, guys, I'll see you guys on Tuesday. Remember, markets are closed Monday. All right, guys. So I'll see you guys on Tuesday, guys. Peace.